Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some countryside cottage inspired interior decorating ideas. Let's start the video. Imagine stepping into a cozy countryside cottage where every corner feels warm, peaceful and full of charm. Countryside cottage inspired interior decor brings the beauty of rural living indoors through natural materials, soft colors, vintage furniture, floral patterns, and comfortable layers of texture. It creates a relaxed and welcoming atmosphere that feels timeless, personal, and beautifully connected to nature. In this video, we will explore inspiring countryside cottage decorating ideas that can help you bring that charming rural character into your own home. Here are some more tips you can use for a countryside cottage inspired interior decor. First, embrace natural wood. Wood is one of the most important elements of countryside cottage style. Choose rustic wooden tables, exposed beams, wooden shelves, or vintage cabinets to bring warmth and character into the room. Choose soft, nature-inspired colors. Keep the main palette gentle and calming with shades like cream, ivory, chaise cream, dusty blue, warm beige, and muted brown. These colors create the peaceful feeling associated with the countryside. And floral fabrics. Floral prints instantly bring cottage charm to an interior. Use them on curtains, cushions, upholstery, tablecloths, or even a small accent wall without overwhelming the room. Mix old and new pieces. A countryside cottage does not have to look completely antique. Combine vintage furniture with a few simple modern pieces to create a comfortable space that feels authentic but practical. Create a cozy living room. Use comfortable sofas, textured cushions, knitted throws, and soft area rugs to make the living room inviting. Wooden coffee table or vintage side table can complete the relaxed countryside look. Decorate with ceramics. Hand-looking pottery, ceramic jugs, plates, bowls, and vases are excellent decorative accents. Display them on open shelves, cabinets, or dining tables for a charming handcrafted touch. Use wicker and rattan, wicker baskets, rattan chairs, oven trays, and natural fiber accessories. Add texture while maintaining the rustic character of the style. They are especially useful for combining decoration with practical storage. Bring fresh flowers indoors. Flowers are an easy way to capture the beauty of countryside living. Place seasonal flowers in simple ceramic pitchers, glass bottles, or vintage vases throughout the home. Add layered textures. Instead of layering only on decoration, create visual warmth through layers of linen, cotton, wool, wood, wicker, and often fabrics. Mixing these textures make the interior feel relaxed and lived in. Keep the kitchen welcoming. A countryside cottage kitchens can feature wooden cutting boards, open shelving, ceramic dishes, glass jars, vintage-style containers, and natural textiles. Keep everyday items visible rather than hiding everything behind cabinet. Use vintage-inspired lighting. Choose warm pendant lights, classic table lamps, lantern-style fixtures, or wall sconces. Soft, warm lighting help create the intimate atmosphere that makes cottage interiors so appealing. Display meaningful objects. Countryside cottage decor should feel personal rather than showroom perfect. Use family photographs, old books, inherited furniture, handmade crafts, and collected treasures can give the home a sense of history. Incorporate cottage-style curtains. Lightweight linen or cotton curtains with checks, stripes, tiny florals, or subtle patterns work beautifully. They soften windows while allowing plenty of natural light into the room. Let nature inspire the decor. Use botanical prints, landscape paintings, giant flowers, herbs, branches, and indoor plants can reinforce the connection between the home and its surrounding countryside. Avoid making everything too perfect. A little imperfection is part of the charm. Slightly weathered wood, mismatched chairs, aged ceramics, and gently faded fabrics can make the interior feel more authentic and nostalgic. Create a welcoming entryway. Start the countryside feeling right at the entrance with a small wooden bench, open baskets, hooks, and a vintage mirror. A floral genre or a simple arrangement of jade flowers can make the space feel warm and inviting. Choose comfortable upholstery. Furniture should look inviting rather than formal. Use linen, cotton, faded floral fabric, ticking stripes, and subtle checks are excellent choices for sofas, armchairs, and dining chairs. Add exposed shelving. Open wooden shelves can make a kitchen, dining room, or living area feel more like a traditional cottage. Display everyday ceramics, vintage crockery, cookbooks, oven baskets, and small plants. Use traditional patterns like checks, gingham, stripes, choil, botanical prints, and small-scale florals works particularly well. Combine two or three patterns in related colors instead of using too many different designs. Introduce a farmhouse-style dining area. A sturdy wooden dining table can become the heart of the room. Pair it with simple chairs, a fabric table genre, ceramic dinnerware, and a vase of seasonal flowers. Add character with aged finishes. Distressed or gently weathered finishes can give furniture a sense of history. Look for pieces with natural imperfections, aged wood, faded paint, or softly owned surfaces. Decorate with books. Old-looking books can add instant character to shelves, coffee tables, and bedside tables. Combine them with pottery, candles, small plants, or vintage objects for a collected appearance. Use natural flooring, like wooden floors, stone flooring, or natural-looking materials. Complement the countryside aesthetic beautifully. Add oven or pattern rugs to make the rooms feel warmer and more comfortable. Create a cozy bedroom. A countryside cottage bedroom should feel restful and soft. Layer a simple bed with cotton or linen bedding, a quilt, floral cushions, and a knitted throw for a relaxed appearance. Bring in nature-inspired mirrors. An aged wooden, brush, or painted mirror can become a beautiful focal point placed on above a fireplace, console table, dresser, or entryway bench. Decorate with baskets. Oven baskets are both decorative and practical. Use them for blankets, magazines, firewood, towels, or everyday household items while adding natural texture to the room. Make the fireplace a focal point. If your home has a fireplace, emphasize it with a simple wooden mantle, vintage mirror, ceramic pieces, candles, or seasonal greenery. Even without a working fireplace, a cottage-style mantle arrangements can create a similar effect. Use soft winter treatments. Choose relaxed curtains rather than heavy formal chaps. Use linen, cotton, gingham, small floral prints, and soft stripes can beautifully frame windows while maintaining the airy cottage atmosphere. Add handmade details. Handcrafted pottery, crochet pieces, embroidered cushions, quilts, oven textiles, and handmade artwork can make the home feel more personal. These details also reinforce the traditional, solo living character of countryside interiors. Balance rustic and elegant elements. Countryside cottage decor does not have to be rough or overly rustic. Combine weathered wood and woven baskets with elegant ceramics, delicate fabrics, classic lightings, and beautiful artwork for a more refined cottage look. Decorate according to the seasons. Let the countryside influence change throughout the year. Fresh flowers and light fabrics work beautifully in spring and summer. Fall chat flowers, warm throws, candles, and deeper earthy tones create a cozy autumn and winter atmosphere. Keep the space naturally bright. Whenever possible, make use of natural daylight, keep windows relatively uncluttered, and use light colored walls and fabrics to create the bright, airy feeling often found in traditional country cottages. Create a collected look gallery wall instead of perfectly matched artwork. Combine botanical prints, countryside landscapes, vintage illustrations, family style photographs, and simple framed sketches. Different frames can make the display feel collected over time. Add small country details. Every small accent can transform a room. A ceramic pitcher filled with flowers, wooden stools, and an old clock. A oven tray or a vintage style candle holder can introduce countryside charm without requiring a complete makeover. Focus on comfort first. The most important principle is creating a home that feels lived in and comfortable. Countryside cottage decor should invite you to sit down, relax, enjoy natural surroundings, and feel completely at home. Use a muted color combination. Instead of strong, saturated colors, choose shades that look naturally softened or slightly faded. Cream, oatmeal, shades, dusty rose, pale blue, and warm taupe work beautifully together. Add a classic cottage hut. A wooden hut or display cabinet can become a beautiful focal point in the dining room or kitchen. Fill it with vintage platters, teacups, glassware, pottery, and linen pieces. Create a reading corner. Turn an unused corner into a peaceful retreat with a comfortable armchair, a small wooden side table, a floor lamp, and a soft throw. Add a basket of books nearby to complete the cozy countryside feeling. Incorporate vintage clocks. A traditional wall clock can add both function and character. Choose designs with wooden, brass, or edged finishes that complement the rest of the room. Decorate with botanical artwork, pressed flowers, botanical illustrations, herb prints, and simple natural sketches. Work particularly well. Display them individually or add several small frames together for a charming gallery wall. Choose simple hardware. Cabinet knobs and handles can make a surprising difference. Ceramic knobs, edged brass handles, or simple iron hardware can give ordinary furniture a more traditional cottage appearance. Add a wooden bench. A simple wooden bench can work in an entryway, dining area, bedroom, or at the foot of a bed. Add a cushion or folded blanket to make it more comfortable. Use layered rugs. A large natural fiber rug can provide a foundation, while a smaller patterned rug can add another layer of personality. This technique creates a relaxed and informal countryside atmosphere. Include a freestanding cabinet. Freestanding furniture often feels more traditional than a completely built-in interior. An old-style cabinet, dresser, or cupboard can provide storage while adding vintage character. Introduce copper and brass accents. Small touches of aged copper or brass can add warmth. Add a subtle sense of elegance. Consider these finishes for lamps, candle holders, picture frames, kitchen accessories, or decorative objects. Style the coffee table naturally. Keep the coffee table simple and relaxed. A stack of books, a ceramic bowl, a small vase of flowers, and a wooden tray can create an effortless cottage-style arrangement. Add quilts and patchwork. Traditional quilts and patchwork textiles bring a nostalgic handmade quality to bedrooms and living room. Fold them over an armchair, place them at the end of a bed, or layer them over a sofa. Use curtains as a decorative feature. Countryside curtains don't need to be plain. Tiny floral prints, gingham, ticking stripes, and delicate botanical patterns can become an important part of the room's overall character. Mix different chair styles. A countryside dining room can feel more relaxed when the chairs are not perfectly identical. Mixing wooden chairs with painted or upholstered setting can create a charming collected over time appearance. Add a small utility area. Traditional cottages often make practical spaces feel decorative. Use wooden shelves, labeled jars, wicker baskets, pig rails, and fabric curtains to make a laundry or utility area feel attractive as well as functional. You don't need to completely transform your home. Simple touches, thoughtful pictures, and personal treasures can create the same cozy charm. Let your space feel relaxed, lived in, and uniquely yours, and enjoy the timeless beauty of countryside cottage style. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.